What's up everybody, with another banger. Today I'm gonna show you how to catch a spotted bass in Fishing Planet. So this is my gameplay and these are the spots on how to catch a spotted bass. So there we go guys, we already caught a spotted bass, 1.53 IB and 13.8 inches, and I earned 32 XP. So this is another spot on catching a spotted bass, and if you guys want what kind of lure I'm using this silver spoon. It's on the top right corner. So there we go guys, another spotted bass. It's a 12.8 inch and I got 26 XP. And the other one is on the right. There's a big circle there and that's where you should place it. And you need to look at my lure on how do I control the lure so the fish will get attracted. So you guys just try to make your fish act like a real fish. So yeah guys, that's how you should use a lure. And you can see, I think there you go, a spotted bass. I already caught a spotted bass instantly, same time. Okay guys, so that's it for the video, and that's the tutorial on how to catch a spotted bass in Fishing Planet. Thank you guys, and this is Random Place. Peace out.